Okay, so we have models, models, and models. Remember building models? Well, we have models, okay? And this is the Revell model display. And we've got so many models. I even have a ship model. Look at that, a nice little boat, the LD Long, World War II destroyer. And then how about a landing craft? We made so many of these landing crafts. It's disgusting how many of these we made. Look at that, and this comes in a set. You get both of these together. But anyways, so these are the model kits from the Revell display. We have the snap together A10 Warthog. This thing right here is basically death in the sky. When this cannon is shooting at you, you might as well just hide because you ain't going anywhere. And then it comes, we've got a Shelby, 1966 Shelby. This was a beautiful car, the 1966 Shelby. Then we've got the Dodge Dart, 1968 Dodge Dart. This is my favorite one right here. The Jaguar XKE at ProTinkerToys.com. All these are on our website. All you have to do is check. And then we have, this one's cool. This is basically a 2-in-1 coupe, 5-window coupe. This was probably one of the best cars Ford ever made, the coupe. They're on sea container 1 on the left-hand side, top shelf, I think, or second shelf.
Excuse me.
And then we got the Ford truck. Everybody loves a Ford truck, even though it's found dead on the road. And then you've got probably the best kit you could have, which is the Top Gun Maverick. This is probably the best airplane ever designed, other than the P-51 Mustang. All right, and then we have the Black Widow. Awesome airplane, fun to put together. You're basically you're building this for nostalgic purposes. And this is all the models, but plus we have all these models back here. Come on, real quick, back here. We have all these models back here. We have hundreds of models. We don't have light on. Hundreds of models, model kits, cars, every kind of car you can think of. And if you can't find what you're looking for, give me a call and we'll see if we can get a hold of for you at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com.